Just took a nap like and woke up 2 minutes before I was supposed to stream, and then I was all sudden up and like, oh no, I forgot how long this actually takes. Maybe 4 YouTube streams. No, my dinner's cold. Also, I think the music's too loud. Hang on. There it goes. That should be. That might be too low, actually. Oh well, it's fine. It's not meant to be the star of the show. I think I'm good to go. The only thing I wasn't sure about is audio splitting, which, worst case, I just delete the VOD, or like I just download it and re-upload it. I don't know. Ugh. God, I regret yesterday. Holy mackerel. A few job postings I wasn't expecting came up. I'm like, I need to do this now. And I spent like 2 to 3 hours after raid rewriting my cover letter. Mostly because they wanted me to write it on a text box, not actually upload it as a file. And then after the 2 to 3 hours, I looked back and I'm like, wait a freaking minute. This is the exact same amount of lines as my current one. What the hell? I thought it would be a little bit smaller. Also, I have a very sad dinner, but that's because I forgot to defrost food. It's fine. Oh! Shit! Hang on. Uh-oh. I forgot where to go. I forgot with YouTube streaming, I gotta do this. Oh, damn it, I don't remember which account it was. I think it was you. Okay, so that works fine. Why is this one not working? Go to your dashboard and click the pop-out button? What? Okay. For context, YouTube, if you've ever seen OBS, I don't believe there is a proper plugin for YouTube activity feed. So I had to jerry-rig one myself, and apparently it doesn't work the way that I think right now. It's not a problem. The most I have is alerts, which I don't even know if they're working, in all honesty. But at the same time, what the fuck? Okay. If that's the case, we're gonna pop out chat too. That way I can see the world. This is real messed up. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Alright, anyways, I think I'm good to go. Christ, I cannot. Oh wait, can I actually attach this? No, I can't. Bad. But it... Ah! No! I brought that down. Damn it. I can't attach it to my OBS. But it overrides everything on top of my... Okay, that's fine. That's fine. If that's the case, I'll just open this when I need it. Blap. So, it's been a while. It's actually been a long while, and I don't have music for me. I have music for y'all. I don't have music for me. Let's fix that. YouTube has been surprisingly nice enough to, add in a bunch of songs into a mix. And now I just listen to that mix. And I shoved most of the songs from the mix into a playlist. Okay. Oh god, it's so loud. Ah! YouTube, shut the fuck up. Oh my god, that's so loud. Okay, so a few things. How do I make this bigger again? There's a way for me to make this bigger. I don't remember what it is. Nope, that's not it. Now you get to see my entire computer, that's fine. Can I not do it in the community version? Basically, wireframes. Okay. You, shut the fuck up. You're so loud. YouTube's being real loud. Okay. I didn't get a chance to make wireframes because Raincoat happened and a lot of my plans just kind of went out the window. I think I'll do this. I don't know if I'm sticking with Python because I'm realizing Python probably isn't the best way to do this. How do I make this bigger? How do I... Is there a hotkey to do it? Yeah, control plus mouse wheel. Why is it not working? Why do you not work? I can hear the mouse wheel. Actually, I don't know if you can. Well, that's depressing. Does not work for... apparently it doesn't work for all of them. Okay, if that's the case... What's the hotkey? Control Alt 0S? Oh, Control Alt S. Control Alt S? Ah! We need to make it zoom. No, that zooms the entire thing. I just need the text. I literally just need the text. Ah, I see how that works. That is actually kind of ridiculous. It might be a enterprise thing that I'm used to. That's not cool. Oh, that doesn't work for you. File settings, editor, general, change font size. Aha! Yo! Does that mean that was just automatically done in the idea I had? I guess so. Okay. Anyways, so what we have here, wireframes. Didn't do anything with them. Didn't get a chance to do it. That usually takes a long time. I'm also not a designer, so whatever the hell. This I also didn't get a chance to. I literally have not been able to see this project, so I'm just going to play it by ear. I'm also wondering if I want to stick with Python. So here's the thing. The only other programming languages that I've used in my life is C++, Python, technically C, technically Visual Basic. We don't talk about Visual Basic. I think a little bit of R. I don't actually remember that one. Maybe some R. And Node.js for a project in work. But that was like way long ago. So those are the only things I've personally used. And in college. I don't really know which one would be best for certain applications. I'm just a coding monkey. I'll eventually figure it out. But I'm just a coding monkey. I'm a coding monkey who is very hard to self-motivate. Unless I know someone actually enjoys this crap, as you can tell. So yeah, I just kind of fiddle around with it. I'll mess around with it, and if it works, it works. If it doesn't work, it either gets scrapped or we change it up. But yeah, right now it works in Python. It's just taking a lot longer for me to do for a few things. Because I don't remember the language, but also because it is very hard to navigate Python. It's more of like a scripting language to do, like, oh, to me it feels easier to do it as a scripting language because it's a lot more arbitrary. Whereas for something like Java and C++, you can have like very defined classes and you know where start and end, and it looks a little bit neater. There's probably some processing difference. I honestly can't care right now. So well, I'm gonna test to see if it works, but I think we're gonna do this as our main focus. So I'm taking this with me, so I at least have it accessible without moving the code. I think. Okay, YouTube, you can come back. You were just hella fucking loud. Where did you go? I kind of wish I didn't need to do desktop screen, but otherwise you cannot see the actual program pop up. Okay, I love this song, but it might just be too loud for what I need. I'm just gonna open up number 1 Bunkai, cause I don't know why I've been getting into that song. That's an advertisement. Okay. So here's the main file, which is still kind of a mess. I'm really glad that's not my actual name, because I tried to type in my username. I guess it just cut it off? Whatever. That's like the one easiest way to get accidentally doxed in your first name. This quits out. This opens up. This is the default, but I need to change that default. Oh, I should probably change that default. Ooh, that's actually a problem, because now I don't remember what I did before. Is it just this? Okay. Advertisement, go away. There we go. Yeah, we're gonna take it easy, trying to figure out what to do. So now I'll run the open window command, which I need to move somewhere else, I realized. I believe this is the same for all coding languages. If you define functions to be used elsewhere, it has to be at the top. You can't have this function and then above here calling that function. I think Java is a little okay with that, but for all others, it's not really. No, okay. And then I think as we go a little bit longer with these, I probably won't be doing as much talking, so I can try to focus up a bit, but I will try to explain my thought process when I can. So this is for the starting window. And this I got from a tutorial. So I need to change this to actually post the image that I am trying to scrape. I know I'm skipping a few steps here, but that's fine. We're using geometry for the size. Geometry fine, that's fine. I don't know if that matters for me. Python. Or no. Okay, fine. OpenCV. Yes, I know that's how to display an image in a window. I'm trying to put the image in the window. Thank you very much. On label. Ah! Alright. You're gonna be a rat bastard. Is this used anywhere? Oh, that's my holding file. This is where I have all my other stuff in. Oh, okay. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay, okay. Are these here? Have import, image import. Yes, they're all here. Okay. That's the global variable. So then, here it is. So does it shrink back down every time I come here? Oh no, because I'm hitting the wrong one. Hello? Thank you. It kind of shrinks back down. Alright, so that's the definition. That's the variable. I probably should have put that on above. Let me do that. Alright. This will process the image. This calls in the class. This creates the file, which I think I renamed. No, I'm going to rename it. Alright. So they'll read in the image. And that gets the dimension string. God, I know I'm really bad at naming functions at the start, but this is ridiculous. My dinner's cold. This is depressing. Oh, yeah, it's just basically getting the dimensions as a string. Okay. You get the height, width, and color? I think that's it. Let me create the window. I want to store the image onto the window. Okay, I need to rename this something else because I automatically keep on hitting it by accident. We're gonna rename it. Which means we need to rename it here because it's not gonna do it automatic. Is this even used? Oh no, it renamed it. Oh, okay. Okay, so we created the window. This will go ahead. Where does this store it exactly? That's the image with the reverse color. I am image from array from reverse image. So this will need to be run. Actually, this entire thing needs to be run up there. This. Let's do 550 instead. So that's new. And then, oops. Gray this out. See this new. Image equals, I don't think it's gonna work the way I'm thinking, but we're gonna try it. Ooh, this is so dicey. Yeah, it didn't work. That's the project, that's not what I need. It's supposed to display this. It's supposed to display this right here. And it didn't. Oh wait, it might be from this. Maybe? No? Bringing the holding file over here so I can see it. What if we did this? Yeah, we're just not defined. Let me actually check to see if it actually read in the image. Alright. So, image. Yeah, the image is in there, which would assume that it's in here too. Oh, that's really awkward. Uh-oh. There it is. It's not because it's not a full image, but just in case. It really shouldn't, because I'm pretty sure this ran perfectly fine without the full space. Ooh, I can't read in just image because I don't think it's this. I don't think it works for this thing. Yeah, I see the red. So it has to be this. Let's have two different ones. I don't know if that's make a difference. Yeah, I didn't think so. So in theory, what I can do, guess scratch file, just leave it here. And then I can just copy and paste this and it should run. Never mind. Oh. Window app. Nah? Image process has no object create image. What? Oh. Right, I didn't change all these from the actual text file. Yeah, see? This work. God damn it, I did it again. This works. So why does everything and their mother not want to work after this? Here, copy this, put it back here. Okay. Oh! This might be the problem. I forgot to take this with me. Thought that might have been it. Okay, so it creates the image. It reads in the image, which is why I paste it up here. It then creates the window, which instead of doing this, I'm doing all this. Which essentially is just this broken apart, it looks like. And then I store the image, or I create the image into image TK, and that runs on a label. Do I need to do... There's no way. I don't think this is gonna make a difference. Holy shit, that does make a difference. Does it always need to have a loop? No, because this makes me assume you just need to put it on the main window. Do I have to put it on every window? I don't think that's how it works. Yeah, shut up, you. This is the main menu. App pack, main loop. Oh, wait. No, because this is doing it from top level from main menu. Okay, yeah, that... At a time, that's an advertisement. At a time, only one instance of main loop can be active. So in order to open a new window, we have to use a widget. Top level. A top level widget works pretty much like a frame, but it opens a separate top level window. which is what I did here. So label, new window. So in theory, this should be working, but it doesn't. I mean, for the sake of making sure this runs, I can put the loop in, but I know that's not correct. Yeah, because I can easily, instead of using the image, we replace this with text. Oops. I think the default's gonna work fine. Shit. Yeah, text works fine. It's only when I'm trying to apply an image, wait, can I do that? That's top level to this. Photo image, which is not the one that I use, or no. Yeah, photo image is not the one I use, which shouldn't matter. Label, up, image equals image. Wait, what the fuck? What am I reading? Hold on. So they do something like this. Label equals a label without the pack. Label image equals image TK. Which doesn't really make sense because it feels repetitive. Holy shit, what? Huh? So, instead of calling the label like this, I stored the instance of that into a variable. And inside of it, it has a variable for image, which I thought was from this? But what the fuck? What? Outside of this questionable thing, everything else works the way I expected. Okay. Okay. Is there a way for me to reduce the size of the image? I don't want a specific number to resize it by. Oh wait, maybe that'll work. So if I want to resize it, ooh, shit, I need to do this before. We'll do that then. What it means by FX, is it legit, the FX that we use in math? I mean, this is the function that it's showing me for 1/2? Oh, what do I do? Really? You want spaces around there? There we go. So, in theory... Oh! Oh shit, that's tiny. That's too small. Oh shit, that's too small. That's too small! How big did I just make this? I made it too tiny. Oh, those are scale factors. Oh. So if I do 1, it should just be the same. Okay. So then if I need to actually kill this program every time I do that. If I do 0.5. Yo, look at that! Look at that! I didn't make it a mosquito! It's not mosquito picture! I did it! Okay. This is very fucking messy. So... now that I'm at this step, I need to add in a nerd button down here. And when you click on the button, it will take all of the text. It'll read the text. So I didn't even know there was a scratch pad in here. For those of you who don't know, scratch pads just kind of do simple things. Like, you run it and it acts like it's running a main file. No, damn it. Yeah. Why is it not showing this up? There we go. So basically, like, you can put in some text here, you can put in some code, and it basically runs as if it's a file, but it's not an actual file. It's invisible. It's not, you don't save it anywhere unless you want to save it. But if you want to run, like, quick code, it does it right here. So you don't have to go on the hassle of actually having it in the file. So any of my test code, I can do it in here, and then I can apply it back here. I thought that was a thing specific to my job. Apparently I'm wrong. Also, my food is completely cold, but it was mediocre. I had a really big lunch anyways, and really late, so I should be fine. I just didn't want to waste food, and I sort of wasted it. Anyways. So if this is the scratch pad, oh my god, it's just opened up the world to me. So we have the window. I need to make a new button, so I'm gonna take you. We're actually gonna make 2 buttons. See, so this will be what am I listening to? So I want to reiterate that, like, half these songs I put in here, like, I just added them in, not really listening to half of them. Oh, wait. I don't think this is gonna work. Hang on. Yeah, because this one does pack, the other one does grid. Shit. That's a problem. Okay, so instead of pack, we just do grid. Row equals 1. Column equals 1. This should work, right? Right? Sort of. Okay, that's row 1, column 1, row 2, column 2. Is there a way for me to center this? Technically, yes. That it'll work. It'll work for now. Well, for now, that's just gonna open a window, but this is gonna cause a crash on itself. So for now, we'll just take it out. Okay, either way, I need to figure out how to scrape an image, so where is the imports? There they are. So I'll grab this one. And then make this into a label. I don't need a button. Because this is what I'm doing testing. I have 2 versions of this song? Oh no, it kicked itself out of the playlist. What? How in the fuck did you kick yourself out of the playlist? Huh? What do you mean you can't find the file? Hello? Huh? Interesting. All right. Yeah, that's what I thought. You would think the scratch. I think the scratch file reads it from a different location. Oh shit. This image. It's right here. Too early to create image, no default root window. Oh, oops. I think this needed to be done prior. Huh? Oh. Main menu, main loop. Nope, that's not what I need. Alright. That's the text. So then image equals. Oh, it's so small. There we go. So from here, Python OpenCV text recognition, detection and extraction. For color conversion, we use the function convert color. We can choose among, oh right, because I think if you want to register text, you want to turn the entire image black and white. I don't want this one, go away. I don't want this one either. Don't worry about it, it's song problems. I don't want this either. Cool. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, yeah, so we read in the image up here. I've reduced it by half. I don't know if I can reduce it by half before or after. Let's see what happens if we reduce it by half and we can read it. So it has to happen before this step. Oh, god damn it. Do I need to install another package? Ooh, I think I do. Alright, where is... Do I not have the command line on here anymore? Well, get bash work. That's what I thought. Yeah. Okay, it works here, it just doesn't work on... Alright. What's the name of this thing again? Oh, did I reinstall it? Okay, yeah, I probably already installed it. If that's the case... Where I got it again? Import... What's this song? Oh, it's Overdress. What am I reading? Yo, one of these links I opened up is not making sense to me by any. It's broken up all the steps in this order instead of having a full file to help explain it, and I'm like, half of this stuff is not making sense to me. I'm like, what's going on? It's also a little harder for me to read because I'm used to reading this right now. But unfortunately, the other one that I can use is this. Go away. Which it doesn't fully explain why I need some of these steps right now, and I kind of need it to. Do I even need this one? I don't think I saw for other ones, but yeah, I don't think I need that. Okay, so oh, okay, I think I found one that's half decent. So why is the song back? Go out, get out of here. Why is this song back? Do I have multiple of this song? Yes, I do. Fuck. I'll scrape that out later. Thank you. Alright, so we got the config. We'll do half. I don't think this is gonna work, but we're gonna try it. Yeah. Okay, I actually did need that. Where'd it go? I thought it said it installed. Do I even have a folder named this? I don't. It's in the 86 folder. It's not. What? What the? Huh? I have to download the binaries? Oh, wait. Does that work? Okay, again, we're just gonna get rid of this. It's not installed or it's not on your path. Yeah, that's what I thought. Huh. So apparently for Windows, I actually have to download the binaries separately and then do the pip installs. Interesting. Using Windows installer. Where is installer? Okay, so that's the installer. Is it gonna pop up here? Yeah, that's what I thought. Come with me. No! Okay, fine, we're doing it here. See if I care. I need my additional language data because I'm trying to read Japanese. I don't know if this means something called Japanese. I don't know if this means like read data or what. I'm gonna do this just in case. Alright, so I downloaded that. Let's rerun those two again. That's what I thought. And then this should work? Ah, there we go. Oh, that's a problem. It read some of the text. I knew it wasn't gonna be accurate. Let me do the full size one instead. I knew it wasn't gonna be accurate because we didn't go through like the proper procedures to get the most accurate descriptions. Ah, there we go. But why did you write down hose? Okay, OpenCV, read other languages. Text other languages to file. for non-English language. So this would work if it was in English. So let me go grab a picture real quick. Cardfight. Actually no, do I have Magus in here? That's the wrong folder. Are you English? You are English. Okay. So we're gonna change this to... I'll have two of them just in case. Ooh, that's tiny. Alright, so for you... God, this thing's so tiny. So this is what the image looks like. So it had a little trouble reading this, which is fine. When an Oracle think that writes this unit, you may call this card to... It can't read those, which is fine. I think I have to mainly input something. When this unit boosts, the boosted unit gets plus 3,000 until end of battle. And at the beginning of the end phase, return this unit to your deck and shut fit your deck. Oh wait, it didn't read the name? Really? I knew it wasn't gonna be able to read a lot of these, but I would think it would be able to read this. Okay. So, what we have here is used for English text. Or at least text with English letters. But right now I'm trying to read text that is not English. Okay, so detect and OCR text in non-English, translate the text and give an input. Yeah, this is what I need. Download and add language packs to Tesseract OCR. First version of Tesseract provides support to English language only. Support was dramatically expanded to include ideographical languages such as Chinese and Japanese, which is what I need. Manually from GitHub and install them. We want to... will be 4.85 gigs? Have I got the space? I mean, I have the space for it. But do I want to dedicate that space right now? We want to move to the directory that which should be the parent directory for what we are local test data. Oh, this is the website that made things really awkward. Okay. Do I need to download that? Okay, so image to string, text lang equals. It's not called Japanese, isn't it? Is it JP? You know what? There's one easy way to find out. Okay, yeah, it's JPN. Where to go? JPN, but I need to install. Can I use pip? Fuck. Oh wait, does it have to have the brackets? Yeah, I didn't think so. Aw, really doesn't work? I don't want to install the entire thing. That's what I want to avoid. Okay, so the one that I need. I went too far. This. I'm grabbing both of these. Download. I don't know why they moved the download up there, by the way. Did you download them? Perfect. What is this? Unless, hold on, is it the thing I just downloaded? Yeah, it is. Copy the downloaded file. Copy the downloaded file to your test-rect OCR location, which I believe... There it is. Test data. Huh? Oh, it's already in here. I mean, we'll go ahead and replace them, sure. Use a train data name for it. I use lang equals fast. Okay. Did I not need to do that then? Okay, if that's the case, take this out, put this in. That didn't work out the way I thought it would. Oh, wait, no, it's using this one. Oh, I didn't need to be double. Ooh. Let's see, image to string, image, language equals Japanese. Print text. It's output for Japanese language. On our Java code as the following. Uh-oh. You know what? Let's see. We're gonna do something very easy. We're gonna get a picture that's not a card to make sure this actually works. Look at- hey, hello, this is my editing folder. Don't look at it. Do not perceive it. Do not perceive it. Alright. Copy this. Oh, what the fuck? What? Where did this come from? Wow, that's pretty damn small. What? Oh no, because I cut it in half, I'm dumb. That was also the wrong one. Suck a dick. image. It somehow got this from this. That's actually kind of impressive. I just want... What about this? Whoa! That is too big. That's too big. Really? That's still... How is it not able to read that? Of all things, how is it not able to read that? That's as black as white as it's gonna be. I'm gonna put this down here. Oh, it might be from this configuration, actually. Let's get rid of the configuration. Hello? Thank you. There we go. Wait, that didn't even read it correctly. That's konnichiwa. But, konni... Yeah, I didn't even read it correctly. Okay. Okay, so it works, it works, it works. Then let us get the test one. How badly is this gonna be? We're about to find out. Ah, there we go. Shit, I can't read it. Hang on. Okay. Oh god, I will not be able to read half this text. Okay, so this is the text for up here. Then oh Jesus Christ. Where's it getting this text? Ryoku. Where is it getting this text? I'm assuming it's supposed to get up here and it's getting confused. Alright, that's the power. Holy shit, this is... Oh wait, I recognize one right here. So right here, this is supposed to be the text for the, here. Okay, I was worried whether or not I was gonna read this. Oh, there's a specific name for it. It's basically, you see the kanji underneath it, yeah? The stuff on top is basically how you're supposed to read it out in hiragana. And this is common in, I don't know how common it is in video games nowadays. But it is common for games that they know kids will play. Since they might not know what the kanji is, so I think it was like furigana or something. And I was actually worried if that was going to mess up with the tracking. It might have up here, but for this, it completely ignored it. So Where did it get this one from? Futa... Okay, I have no idea where the hell it got this one from, unless this actually might be the Furigana. But this entire thing is the text of the box. I assume this is it trying to track shit up here. And it got this up here. It's a little confused on whether it got this, or any of this up here. At the least, I needed to be able to read this, and it hasn't read that. Cool. I passed in the gray image. So what happens if I just pass in the image? Hello? Thank you. Yeah, it's expected it has a harder time reading it. Okay, okay, Python. I forgot what words I was gonna type. Text detection. Duh! Stop that. Okay, so now that I understand all this, you're gonna make another one. I promise I'll organize this the next time I, before I do another stream. So now I have this snapshotted. So for detecting anything, it needs to run through a threshold. What does that mean? I honestly can't tell you. That's long forbidden knowledge that I have forgotten since the day of time. Alright, so but basically I know it's probably like a formula to help being able to detect certain shapes. So we're just gonna go ahead and follow this through. I'm just gonna go ahead and copy and paste this entire thing, just to understand what the hell's going on. Alright, so we configured this so that I can actually run Tesla. We turn into grade cell. We perform this threshold procedure. And this gets a rectangle shape to overlay on top of the... Oh! This determines the size of the rectangle that's gonna help detect what we need to detect. Dilation, I don't know what that means. This is why I don't like copy and pasting text without understanding what the hell's going on, because I just stare at it and like, what the fuck's going on? We'll just do this, it's fine. Alright, so I should have wrote some files. I thought it was supposed to output... Oh, I need to wait for it to show those contours on here. Because it shows it in the example, but not from when it's registered. Ha! It didn't write anything. Oh, that's really freaking awkward. Also, I didn't expect it to open up like that. Get out of here. Okay, here. I was able to recognize this. I don't know why I wasn't able to write it. But that's still a problem. Because writing that threshold did absolutely nothing. Oh, wait, that's why. Where'd it go? Let's try it again. Character coders cannot encode character in position 0. It is probably throwing a fit with writing the file. Open. Okay, that should have worked. Nope. Did not work. It's empty. Okay, that's fine. It's not the end of the world. I think that's something easier to work with. Is that the only one? It is the only two. Yeah, it's supposed to read it. It's reading it fine. It's just not writing it. Interesting. Oh, now it's not even creating the file. What did I do? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O, why is it not writing the file? Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. Interesting. Why is it not reading why is it not reading the file now? That is really peculiar. Yeah, I don't know why it's not writing the file anymore. Uh-oh. Okay. I understand some of the logic. I understand what it's trying to do. I'm trying to apply it on something that is non-English, which is gonna make it like 3 times as harder. I don't know why the file's not writing. Which I should be concerned about, because that's part of the whole thing about this, is to write it into a file. I think YouTube just paused on me. How dare you? How dare you pause on me? You fool. That's fine. Regardless, I am gonna have to clean this up a lot, which I think I'll do in my free time. I kinda have no choice but to do it in my free time. Because it'll take me forever and a half to clean this up. I guarantee you it's not sectioned in the way that I like it either. I think... Yes, I think I'll go ahead and end it here. I've definitely been overdoing myself these past few days, so I need to take a breather. I am going to spend some time cleaning this up to be something readable, because it's absolutely not. It's readable to me, but it's not gonna work out. I'm not gonna worry about wireframes at the moment, because I just want to get the functionality to work. I know, okay, so at the least we know it works with being able to read and register text. But I think my next step, where is it? Here. My next step would be to, display the contours, because I need to see exactly what it's registering. And then once I know what it's registering, we can compare it against the text it prints out. Okay, so able to store image to numpy array, able to display image in window, add labels and buttons, able to open new window from button press, able to very badly. Able to detect Japanese and English text very badly. Able to print Japanese text in console. Unable to write Japanese text into file. That's what this in there is. Scratch pad. I just want to specify that this is in the scratch pad, not my main method. So clean up code naming wireframes we'll do later. So this will be my main thing. And then for next time on stream, I want to be able to, so what I mean by that, I need to go find a picture. Text detection. So when you're detecting text, what the program's actually doing is something like this. When it's mentioning about contours, it's talking about this. You have an image, and depending on the size of the contours, it's gonna give you this box. And then it's going to try and find words that are about that size or something, or basically detect text that fits within this contour box or something like that. And that's how it's able to track which part of the image has something that looks like text. And then it'll try to translate that text into something readable. Since I'm doing it in a completely different language, that's already a bit of a challenge here. But I assume for something like the English, English version of this card, this one's really tiny, so honestly, you're gonna have a bit of an issue even doubling up the size of it, because then the image gets a little blurred out like this. And you have issues with, if you do it just with color, you have issues with some of this really thin font size. So there's like thresholds, there's like formulas to help, what's the word? There's ways to help refine your text detection, and I think that's what a lot of stuff that does text detection, like, it's a matter of trying to refine that process. Until it's like near perfect. I don't think it'll ever be 100% perfect, but just enough for what you need. And it also needs to make sure it doesn't get confused by any other stuff that you don't need. So what I need to do is I need to make it so that I can display like a rectangle box on anything that it considers to be text. So I know what exactly it's reading, what exactly it's not reading, and if it's not reading it, I have to refine the process. How do I do that? Honestly, I don't know. I'm assuming this delves into linear algebra, which is, it's very arbitrary, and I hated it so much. We don't talk about that. Again, for that image, it's gonna have a bad time because it's very small. Fortunately, because of these images, they're quite big, and the text is mostly clear. Mostly. It's a little bit pixely, as you can, it's a little hard to tell maybe on the stream, but it's a little bit pixely around the letters, but like, it stands out. Some of the kanji might be a little bit hard to read, which I don't even know. I don't know how I'm gonna get around that one. I think I would have to find a way to register this one as well. But honestly, if it translates this, that's great. I just need the name of the card. Like, by the end of the day, this project, what I would really love it to do is be able to translate this and spit out in the English directly from the game. So that way I don't have to rely on downloading the data for all of these cards and stuff and have it stored somewhere. That would be more accurate if I did that, but that's also gonna take a lot of space and whatnot, which I kind of want to avoid for this project at this moment. But realistically, the only thing I would really need is the name. Because once I get the name, I can just cross-compare it with the English name, and bada bing, bada boom, I can get the text that I want. I don't have to register all this other one. I just need to register this title right here. That's it. And I can even go so far as to like do a image comparison to make sure I'm getting the correct card. I mean, I can expand this to however much I want, and I do want to expand it a lot. But for what I needed to do at this very moment, I just need the name. I legit just need to figure out how to get the name. It has not gotten the name. It has gotten everything else but the name. So yeah, that's gonna be a little finicky. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't get that name. So yeah. I'm gonna make sure I have this cleaned up. I'll still have this on Saturdays, every other Saturday, because that's the most amount of free time that I can guarantee I have no matter what happens. I'll see if I can try to boot the stream up again for the 26th. I don't know how far I'll get with this, but I will say that Pokemon comes out in September 13th, I think? What's the one say? September 13th, yeah. So I'll be playing the crap out of that. I'm still playing the crap out of Rancode, which, now that I just uploaded a Final Fantasy video, starting tomorrow, we have videos coming out for Vanguard, at least for the rest of Chapter 0. I'm not sure when Chapter 1's gonna get kicked off, because I'm trying to see if I can edit some Harvestella and the Great Ace Attorney, because I don't want us to be dead in the dust. But yeah, we are making some progress. I am understanding things, which is good. I'm less worried about trying to figure out what syntax I need, because this is stuff that I've never touched for. I'm obviously gonna have to Google a lot of documents to understand what methods I have to use. As long as I understand what these methods are, that's a huge plus in my opinion. Because I can tell you, especially from coming, like, my mindset from college, there's a lot of people who can code, but a lot of it is just you Google the thing you're looking for and you slap it on here, and half the time you don't understand what it does, but you know that it works. And while that's alright, that's not gonna get you past the real life in scenarios. So that's why I'm trying to take the time to understand what the hell I am copying, and basically trying to refine it to whatever I need and to words that make sense to me. Again, I'm doing a lot of copying because I don't know the syntax and I never used this tech before, but I am understanding what each steps of them do, except maybe one or two. I know one or two I'm a little lost on, but I think that's specific for the computer vision concept. It's a whole new thing that I'm just not used to. I'm used to just writing methods and whatnot to make data move from one place to another. But the only reason why I understand half of this is literally because I had an internship with computer vision in OpenCV. That's the only reason. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna try to clean this up. I don't think I'll be able to clean it up in a Python way. So worst case, it might look more like a Java way. But as long as as long as I can understand it on the fly and it's not as clustered, it should be fine. If not, it's my project. I don't care if it gets clustered, but I'm trying to hopefully make it not clustered so that someone else looks at it, they can understand what the hell's going on. Unfortunately, for stuff like this, it's not just coding, by the way, it's just me in life. I worked the best when I work off of examples. So, if I don't see someone actually doing it, so like if you're teaching me something and I understand I understand the concept of it, but I don't understand how to execute it. I have to visually see those steps in order to recreate it. It's the same for drawing, it's the same for some video editing. I think a lot of mine was just bash into the head until it dies. And that's the same for code. It's like, if I don't see the code written out and working, I'll just fumble around and go through like a bunch of hoops that I don't need to go. So this is where a struggle is, especially with me who's not very self-motivated half the time, without reason. But yeah, there's not much I can do since I'm trying to get something that's a little out of the norm, but not necessarily, because I know there's a bunch of people who are trying to do stuff like this. But since I've never seen professional Python code developed in the way of like in a very clean way, because I think a lot of tutorials, they just run it off the main Python file. They don't organize anyway, because you're not there for organization. You're there to understand what you're trying to get through. You're trying to understand how to read a file. You're understanding how to read an image, how you store an image, blah blah blah. You just need that. But everything else, all that fluff, I need to understand that. So that's really just something I'm gonna have to do off to the side, I think. Okay. Once I do that though, I am gonna push it into my personal GitHub. I'm not gonna share it because I actually do want to use it for like interviews and whatnot, but honestly I don't think it's gonna be too hard to link the two if you're actually watching different videos. I'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. I think to make sure I have the most amount of time, because I don't want to force myself to try and do this before 2 weeks. The next time I do a coding stream, which is hopefully like the second Sunday or the last Saturday of this month, I'm gonna switch gears over to that tournament bracket that I wanted to do, because at least that's simplified, and I'm actually gonna code that in Java, which I'm much more comfortable in, and we'll see how that goes. This is what happens when you leave me alone and I have to do things to make up for time. Alright, with that said, thank you guys for watching, or thank you guys for listening, whichever one works. This is literally just a working stream. I don't know why the hell you're here. Yeah, we'll get something written down. I'm hoping to get this done before the end of the year. At least something done before the end of the year. Something workable. As long as I can get the name, that's my biggest accomplishment. But if it can get done before the end of the year, that'd be great. Alright. We're gonna have raid tomorrow at 7. And then things happens and everything explodes. I have ran myself to the ground for the last few weeks, so I'm probably gonna have to chill myself out for a little bit. Which is not fair, because I really want to play fucking Raincoat, and I know Pokemon's gonna destroy my entire body. It sucks, whatever. Yeah, anyways, raids tomorrow, Raincoat, the rest of Chapter 0 will start coming out. Hopefully I'll start getting some Harvestella videos out. And yeah, with that said, I will see you guys tomorrow on Twitch for raid time. Y'all have a good day. I will see you guys later. Bye bye.